Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be reviewing the OPPO A16, a popular smartphone that offers great value for its price. We'll be covering its key features, specifications, and how it compares to other phones in its price range. So, let's dive right in. Key features. First, let's talk about the highlights of the OPPO A16. One of the most impressive features of this phone, its 6.4MP quad camera setup, which includes a 6.4MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, a 2MP depth sensor, and a 2MP macro lens. This allows you to capture stunning photos and videos in various lighting conditions. The phone also has a 6.5-inch FHD Plus dot-in display with a 90Hz refresh rate, providing smooth and immersive visuals. Under the hood, you'll find a MediaTek Helio G96 processor, which ensures smooth performance and efficient multitasking. Specifications. Now, let's move on to the specifications of the OPPO A16. The phone comes with a 6.53-inch HD Plus display, with a water drop notch for the front-facing camera. Under the hood, you have a MediaTek Helio G25 processor, which is more than enough for everyday use. The phone features a 12MP triple camera, a setup on the back, including a 4.8MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, you have a 16MP front-facing camera. The phone runs on Android 11 and is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. Comparison. Finally, let's compare the OPPO A16 to other phones in its price range. In terms of camera quality, the A16 is definitely up there with the best, but you might want to consider models like the Realme C12 or the Xiaomi Mi A1. They offer more advanced camera features and higher resolutions. However, the A16 still offers a great value for its price and is an excellent choice for those looking for a budget smartphone. Conclusion. In conclusion, the OPPO A16 is an excellent choice for those looking for a budget smartphone with great camera, quality and performance. If you're in the market for a new phone, consider checking out the A16. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.